Welcome to Glide. If you're curious about how you can digitize paperwork, collaborate with teams, and keep documents secure and compliant, Glide is a platform you'll want to explore. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the homepage and what you see when you first arrive, which is actually a very well done page, and also the three main tabs at the top: platform, plans, resources, a very detailed explanation of each key feature on the platform, and finally, I'll share exactly what Glide is, who it's for, and why it's useful. So let's get started. When you first open Glide.com, you'll land on a clean, modern homepage designed to showcase the platform's purpose, making transactions and paperwork easier and faster and more secure. So here's what you'll typically see: a prominent headline describing how Glide helps you digitize forms and streamline workflows, a call to action, often labeled Get Started Free or Request a Demo, and short sections explaining key benefits like e signature, compliance, and collaboration, and logos of trusted organizations and client testimonials that build credibility. The homepage exists to quickly answer what is Glide, why should you use it, and how do you get started. So at the top, there are three tabs, and now let's go on ahead and tackle them. The platform tab. This one is basically the heart of the website. When you hover over or click on platform, you will see four main features: forms, collaboration, e-signature, and compliance. I'm going to explain each one in depth because these are the tools that make Glide so valuable. First up, let's start with forms. Forms are at the core of how Glide helps you digitize transactions and paperwork. What does this feature do? Well, it provides a library of digital forms you can customize and share, and instead of emailing PDFs back and forth or printing paper documents, you can create, send, and collect forms entirely online. Forms can be filled out on any device: desktop, tablet, or smartphone. The key capabilities of this includes pre-filled fields, like by saving time by automatically populating known information; conditional logic, you can show or hide fields based on responses, so forms are shorter and more relevant; templates, you can start from pre-made templates for common transactions; status tracking, where you can see when forms are viewed and completed in real time. So, why is this important? Well, it dramatically reduces errors and delays, and it provides a more professional experience for clients. You keep all your documentation organized in one secure place, and if you're in a field like real estate agents, legal services, or finance, this feature can save hours of manual work each week. So, next up, let's start with collaboration. The collaboration feature is all about making teamwork easier. So, what does it do? Well, Glide allows multiple stakeholders like team members, clients, and partners to work together on one document in one workspace. You can assign roles and permissions, deciding who can edit, view, or sign. You can leave comments or notes directly inside forms or agreements, and there's also activity tracking so you know exactly who did what and when. So, why does this matter? It removes the need for endless email threads, everyone stays on the same page, and you speed up decision making. Let me give you an example scenario. Basically, imagine you're closing a real estate transaction. The agent prepares a form, the buyer reviews and adds information, the seller verifies details, and the legal team checks compliance. Notice how everyone is notified instantly when it's time to take action, and everyone is basically, collaborating, and it's all like not a mess. Like everything's clean and it's a clean process. Glide's collaboration tools turn that entire process into a smooth digital workflow. Next up is our e-signature. One of the most important parts of any transaction is getting signatures. Glide's e-signature feature lets you collect legally binding electronic signatures without printing or scanning. So what's included? Secure signature fields you can drop into any document, signer authentication to verify identities, automatic audit trails that record every action for compliance, and instant notifications when a document has been signed. The benefits for this are faster turnaround times, clients can sign in from their phones, enhanced security compared to emailing unsigned PDFs, easy recording or keeping for audits and disputes, and this feature is especially helpful in regulated industries where signatures must be tracked and validated. So next up, we've got compliance, which is the last platform. Compliance is a big deal when you're dealing with sensitive information. Glide's compliance features help ensure that documents meet legal and regulatory standards, data is stored securely and encrypted, and processes comply with regional privacy laws such as GDPR or CCPA. Specific tools and safeguards are access controls where only authorized users can view or edit, audit logs where you can see complete histories of document activity, encryption, data is protected during transfer and storage, and retention policies where you can manage how long records are kept. Why does this matter? Non-compliance can lead to penalties or legal action. Clients expect their information to be handled responsibly and privately, and it builds trust and professionalism. Together, these four areas forms, collaboration, e-signature, and compliance make Glide a robust platform for digitizing paperwork end to end. Now, next, let's look at the Plans tab. Here, you will see agents and brokers. Those are two different things, so you can get subscriptions for, which one suits more for you. The different subscription tiers usually based on the number of users, volume of forms or signatures, and access to advanced features or analytics or integrations. You've got the pricing details, often billed monthly or annually. You got comparison tables, so you can see which one's better than, the other, and more. This tab helps you understand what level of service is right for you, whether you're a solo professional or part of a large enterprise team. And finally, we've got the Resources tab. It's just like any kind of resource tab. You get helpful content to teach you how to use the platform and share your best practices and keep you up to date with the industry trends. Typical resources include the Help Center articles and FAQs, video tutorials and walkthroughs, blog posts, case studies, and webinars. If you're new to the digital workflows or want to get the most out of the software, this is the place to look. So, what actually is Glide? Who is it for and what does it do? Glide is a cloud based platform that digitizes paperwork and transactions. To put it simply, it lets you create and share your forms online. It enables secure collaboration with your teams and your clients. It allows you to collect legally binding e signatures and helps you stay compliant with regulations. Who is it for? Well, real estate professionals streamlining offers and disclosures, legal teams digitizing agreements, financial services securely collecting and forms and signatures, any business looking to modernize paperwork. If you handle important documents that need to be accurate, secure, and fast, Glide is designed for you. So, to recap, we explored the homepage, the platform tab with the main features like forms, collaboration, e signature, and compliance, and we reviewed both the plan and resources tab. And finally, we covered what Glide does and who it's for. If you're ready to digitize your workflows and make paperwork easier for you and your clients and your team, Glide is a platform worth considering. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.